So finally we have an AI tool that allows you to generate unlimited videos for free, and the outputs are very impressive, and all of the videos that you're watching right now are all generated with that AI video generator. And the best thing is that even this AI tool is free, but there is no compromise on the video quality and video outputs. So what this AI tool is, let's find out. Alright, so this AI tool is called the Minimax, and this is their website, and this is the URL hailuo.ai.com. I'm sorry if I pronounced this wrong. And this AI tool is also from the China, so this is their website, and by default this will be in Chinese, and if you want to change this you can just click on the Google web translator and you can convert this into English. Now here is the interface of this AI tool. Well, this is not the actual AI video generator. To use the AI video generator you have to click on this second option, create, and then you will have this interface in front of you. So you can see we don't have much options here. We only have the prompt area and the video generation button, and right now this AI tool is only limited to the text to video. We don't have the image to video option in this AI tool yet, but in future I hope they will add this option. Further, you can see these are some of the featured videos generated by the community, so you can also get the ideas from these videos. But let's test this AI tool on our own. Now to generate some prompts I would like to get some help from the Cloud AI. So if you're not familiar with the Cloud AI, this is one more large language model just like ChatGPT but in free version. And if you're using the Cloud, make sure you have selected the Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. Now to get some good prompts, I would like to use this prompt. Give me some prompts for the AI video generator. Here is the formula to generate the prompt. So I gave it a very basic formula of generating the prompts. A main visual subject, so that will be our main subject of our video. That could be a man, woman, whatever it is. Then we have the scene or space, or that could be an environment that you want in your video. And next we have the motion or action that you want your subject to perform in the video. So after hitting the generate button, it came up with a couple of prompts. Well, this formula is just for those who are not good in the prompting, but if you want to try the manual prompting, it all depends on you. Now let's try this first prompt. An old mafia boss sitting on a leather sofa holding a cigar, cinematic movie scene, and hit generate. Alright, so this is the output video, and look at the quality, man. Just look at that. Isn't it feel real? Just look at the movement, very subtle movement, and even the lip syncing works really good. You can even see the cigar smoking. Each and everything looks perfect. We don't have any issues with the hands, we don't have any issues with the face, and overall the frame looks very consistent and very cinematic. And just imagine this is the output from a free AI video tool, and there is no limitation to use this AI tool right now. Now let's try this prompt. A determined detective in a rain-soaked film Noir LA chasing a shadowy suspect, and hit generate. Alright, so this is the output video, and in the first look it looks very impressive, and I like the fact that it maintained the highlights and shadows in this video. As you can notice, when this guy is moving towards the camera, his face brightens up slowly and gradually, and you can also notice a shadow on the ground. As this guy is walking, his shadow is also moving with the subject, and this thing is very impressive. And if we talk about the text on the background, the text doesn't make any sense, but it tried to add that neon signs just to make it look more fuller and appealing to the eyes. And if we talk about the morphing and consistency, we don't have any morphing effect, we don't have any issues with the consistency. The character is consistent, short looks perfect. This is amazing. Now let's test the famous Sora prompt. A woman in a red dress and wearing a black leather jacket with sunglasses walking on a Tokyo street at night. Alright, so this is the output, and the woman is trying to practice the red carpet walk on a street. But anyways, the video itself looks good. We have some issues with the hands, and I'm not saying this is the bad output, but this is not the best video, because we have tried the same prompt in other AI tools and they performed really well with this same prompt. Well, this is not bad. The character is consistent, background is consistent. We can notice some kind of morphing effect on the hands, and we can also notice some kind of stylization on her face. It doesn't look like a realistic person, but overall this is acceptable. Now this time I would like to add some camera movements in the video, so I would like to go with this prompt. A cinematic movie shot of a hero in a black tuxedo holding a glass of wine, and then camera pans to another person. And let's see how does it perform with this one. Alright, so this is the output, and it followed the prompt very accurately. The guy is wearing a black tuxedo, he's holding a glass of wine, and we even have the panning effect in the video. But in the prompt section we mentioned the camera to pan on another person, but this thing is missing in this video. Yes, we have the panning effect, but the panning effect is on the main subject, not on another person. Obviously this guy is talking to another person, but not exactly what we have mentioned. But if we talk about the video itself, this is amazing. It looks very realistic, and surprisingly, when the camera is panning, the character remains consistent. It doesn't add any morphing effect on the eyes, on the hands. The main subject remains constant in this video, and this is what we want. Now let's try the same thing but with a woman as a main subject. So I'm using this prompt: a woman holding a wine glass talking to a man, camera pan towards the man, and let's see what it comes up with. Alright, so this is the output video, and just look at this, bro. Isn't it look like a real movie scene? This is truly a masterpiece. We have the camera panning effect, the woman is walking towards the man, and she's holding a glass of wine, and the most importantly, she's very beautiful. Jokes apart, but this is a really good video. Yes, it didn't follow the prompt just like our previous video. We wanted the camera panning towards the face of that other guy, but if we just ignore that thing, overall the shot itself is truly a masterpiece. Now these are some of the videos from the community where you can see a police car is chasing a bike. It looks like some kind of a GTA 5 scene, but look at that, man. Yes, there are some slight morphing effects at the end of this video, but overall this is amazing, man. Alright, so this is the one more output with the realistic access camera footage from a fisheye lens shows a zombie from The Walking Dead approaching the front door. And isn't it look like a real movie scene, bro? This is amazing. This AI tool is really fun to use. And just imagine if you are watching this clip on the internet, you will definitely think that this is some kind of a movie scene, but not exactly. Now here is a one more video where a cat and wolf is walking on a fashion show ramp, and it looks very cute. Just look at this costume of this cat. This is very cute. Well, we have a lot of examples and a lot of videos coming from the community, and in my opinion, I'm not going to compare this tool with any other AI tool because it doesn't deserve any comparison, because this AI tool is totally free at this moment. Obviously in future they will offer their plans, but at this moment this is totally free, and as an individual tool, I think this is a very good tool. I'm really impressed by the outputs. So the link is in the description below. Go ahead and check this out, and that's it from today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.